entire nature park. Just because we're social distancing doesn't mean you can't get out. Just make sure that you leave plenty of room between you and others. And make sure you talk to your parents before you do this. Okay guys, we're gonna walk down the trail, and that's my dog Daryl. He likes walking.
Which way are we gonna go?
Let's go straight. There's a lot of cool little statues made with stones, and it's a nice trail to walk. Daryl likes being out. It's always nice to get out and get a little bit of exercise.
We're not going in the grass again.
Just think, in a few weeks all these trees will have leaves. They will be so pretty.
Are we gonna take the bridge over there?
And when we all get back to where we can be around other people, the nature park has tons of places you can have a little picnic with family or friends. And there's also a little free library. You take a book and return a book. That's pretty cool to have in this community. It has a little overlook station that's sponsored by some of our community companies. Now we're gonna go down this little path that has a little bridge.
Get on the bridge when we go down over there.
As we're walking, you can see Daryl think he runs the pack here. He likes to be in charge. So we came to a fork in the road. We're gonna take the wooded path. Are you having fun, Kaylin? They think they need to be in front of me all the time. There's a squirrel playing on the tree. Oh. Looks like a couple trees fell down out here when we had the big wind the other night. Here's the back of that trail that we went on. I think we're almost to the beginning again. There's another little spot you can sit and have a break.
To eat lunch.
Daryl still thinks he's in charge and leading the way. Oh, it looks like somebody decorated a little tree out there.
Oh, that's cute. I don't.
That's pretty cool to see out here.
Well, yeah, I can see the rest of it.
Okay, now we're kind of back toward the beginning or the end of the hike, depends on how you want to look at it. And there's a little seating area over here that's got a little waterfall. It doesn't look like the waterfall's on right now, but it's really cool. And here's like a little gardening section. They probably do this in the spring when it gets nicer. There's a little tag showing what the different types of flowers are. And here's the amphitheater. This is the area where the Parks Department has some different seminars and fun stuff for the kids in the summer. Looks like there's even a fire pit. This place is pretty cool, guys. So as you can see, there's the parking lot. So we are at the end of our walk. I hope you guys had a fun time looking at nature with us. Everybody stay safe. Have fun. Bye.